यार सोचने वाली बात है कि ये यॉर्निंग कंटेजियस क्यों होती है? A few weeks back, I had a younger sibling over, and she's not even 1 year old, and she can't even speak properly. But I noticed one thing that whenever she yawned in front of me, I also felt like yawning. And that is where this question comes from actually. क्या तुम्हारे साथ भी ऐसा होता है? And if yes, then आज सोचो इस बारे में and research करो. Also try fake yawning in front of others so that you can make this curiosity fun. And I will see you all tomorrow with the answer to this question. Till then, stay curious, keep learning, and